Hey everybody, welcome back to Louise Street Studio. I'd like to introduce you to the Butterfly Boho journal. This chunky journal has a bunch of Sari trim silks for the cover. It has 150 pages and a folio. I've used hand-dyed and Edith Holden and wildflower pages, as well as the digital kit from Artie May's Floral Collage. It is a 6 by 9 with a 4-inch spine. It's a beautiful journal, and I hope you end up loving this flip through.